Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you a cool tip how you can assign any photo to your incoming or outgoing calls on your iPhone. Now, for some reason, Apple does not give this feature by default, but there is a small way around and you can assign any of your favorite photo to your incoming calls. The best thing is that you can assign to your individual contacts, so whenever they are calling you, you can see their full screen photo on your iPhone. Now this can be quite handy if you're busy doing something rather than just getting a number as a notification. You can see their full screen photo whenever they are calling you or whenever you are calling them. If this is your first time on my channel, kindly subscribe and do hit the bell icon to see more tech videos in the future. So let's start the video, but before I start, to assign any photo to your individual contact as a full screen caller ID whenever they are calling, go to the Photos application on your iPhone and choose any of your favorite photo, for example this one. Now the first thing is you need to duplicate this photo, so click on this up arrow icon, scroll up and choose the option duplicate. Click over here. So as you can see, we have duplicated the picture. Now click on edit, click on the crop icon. Now click on the aspect ratio icon. Scroll to the side and choose the option 3:4. You need to make sure that photo is on vertical mode, not in the horizontal mode. So choose the vertical mode option if it's not coming by default. Now just try to adjust the picture. Then tap on done. So we have edited the picture. Now we have to assign this picture to the contact. Click on the up arrow icon, scroll up and choose the option assign to contact. Now here you can choose any of your favorite contact to assign this picture to. Here again you can adjust the picture. So this is how the picture should look like when you're receiving a call or doing a call. Click on choose, and lastly you need to click on update. That's it. So we have successfully assigned this picture to the contact. So the next time when you're receiving a call from this contact, you will have a full screen of the same picture which you have saved to this contact. So let's try to see if it's working. Let me try to call myself. So as you can see over here that the picture which we have saved for this contact, whenever we'll receive a call from this contact, we'll show the picture as a full screen caller ID. One important thing to note over here is that when you're on your home screen and you're receiving a call from the same number, it will show as a small banner because in iOS 14 you get an option of banner and full screen option for the incoming calls. Now to change this setting, you need to go to settings, choose the option of phone, choose incoming calls. As you can see, the banner option is clicked by default once you upgrade to iOS 14. Now here you need to change it to full screen. Click over here and just come out of the screen. Now even on your home screen, if you try to call by the same number, you will get a full screen caller ID. One more important thing to note over here is that this method works flawlessly between iPhone to iPhone. But in case if you're trying to call from Android device, sometime it might work, but sometime there are chances it will not work. So be mindful about this. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.